Okay, go.
Right. Just using the new pressure washer I've got. It's got all the nozzles for doing concrete, wood, anything like that. And the good thing about this is it's got these metal connections on there and on there and on the machine itself. It's very good as far as that's concerned. You can see the area where I've done and what I'm doing now. And the beauty about this one, you can take the water directly out of your water book. Just take a while through.
Because if you haven't got a garden hose, so you can fill up a vat of water to use with it, which is quite sweet. Because of that, I'm imagining it's got a filter here, but it has another filter right there. I don't like that connector on the back because that sticks out to about this far, which is behind the wheels, and I think it could easily get smashed off. But anyway, that could be unscrewed and you could put a normal garden brass connector on there if you wanted to, but you obviously wouldn't have the filter. Little snow foamer, gonna try that out in a minute and see if that actually works. Switch this on. Got a nice long hose with it, and also it's quite a nice quality like braided material. It looks quite tough. Let's see what we've got. Right. I'm pretty impressed with that. I only got this to do the car, so it doesn't have to be like mental powerful. What I like is you can stick all the little changeable nozzles in here, and that's quite useful as well.
I just set up my new jet wash from Amazon, and you know what is little thing, but you'd be surprised. It's got loads of attachments, which is there, and it's pretty powerful. Perfect for cleaning decking. Very happy. I'm actually surprised how small and how powerful it can be.